Hi all, welcome to Distracker channel. So guys, any new web page link it indexed from Google purpose. First of all, copy the URL and check from the Google. So it is indexing purpose. What are the URL will be submit here? We can refresh for Control F5 will be 3 times. You can click for your particular link in your particular website. After link this one, we have to option name is called Search Console will be very much of important. There is a Google Search Console. Second thing is called updating for XML sitemap. If not updated, we can complete for copy the URL and Google Search Console option. This is called URL inspection. Click here and submit. This will be indexing for the Google Search Console option. Now click for request index. So it is coming to here. So these all any particular new URL index procedure will be same for the Google Search Console. Bing will be Bing Webmaster, Google will be Google Search Console option. So this all will be nothing but how we can optimize your website will be Google search engine purpose. This URL inspection will be affected. First URL will be not in Google. They will be requesting to index on the Google option. After requesting will be finished, we can click for the text live URL. The URL will be go to Google. So your task is only done by the, we can fast index it to the Google. But indexing purpose, we have to do for the search engine submission of SEO off page. There is a common matter will be important. That is purpose we have to submit your links will be number of websites that all will be generating for fast indexing purpose. The Google Search Console will be support after do this step. So these steps will be very, very important. Every new web page, the option name is called URL inspection, fast indexing purpose. So the steps we can follow. Any particular query, you can ask me to my channel will be always will be support. Any website will be facing problem for indexing, crawl issues, anything we can sort out by the here option. So finally, texting live URL. It is go to the live after just 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, the time of period, testing live URL. The URL will be Google will be shown to the customers. So these are the steps we can follow.